Hello, hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It. Today for you I have some holographic I found on Amazon. They are 16 sheets, and I hope that you can see the flames in them. They are like super beautiful. There's all different colors. There's not black though. No black flames. There is every other color you could imagine that are here. You just peel and stick. It's a beautiful thing. The price for these was $9.89. I have Amazon Prime, which means I get free shipping. And I got them the next day. That's even more beautiful. So, what we're going to do, we're going to pull out Harley Marie. We're going to have her come play with us today. On her nails, we have some Model 1's black nail polish. Just their basic black nail polish from way back when. On one nail, I have a flame. A holographic flame. Hope you can see this. So we're going to pick out some here. I had some picked out that I wanted to use. I definitely want to use, well, that was that way. I want to use that one. Definitely want to use this one. Using those two for sure. Maybe a pink one. Or fuchsia. I'm not sure. Hot pink. I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. Let's put this one on. Where's the other one? Huh. What to pick? There's gold, silver holographic. These are just really super cool. They look so great on the nail. But I'm going to start with these. All you do is peel and stick, but you got to try and match your flame up to your size of nail. So that's kind of the hard one at times. And to me, it's hard seeing them to try and do it, but just get the edge of your tweezers at the base of the sticker and try to lift. Oh, forgive me. I'm going to waste so much time trying to get these stickers off for 4 nails. There we go. Just peel it off. Gonna put this one on the ring finger. The part I had trouble with was lining up on the base of the nail. I have got my having a brain fart. My silicone cuticle pusher. And I'm pushing this down over the nail, making sure there are no air bubbles. I do have a little bit hanging off here at the tail end. I'm going to have to get my remover out and try to dissolve that. So that was that color. Let me find my brush. And my remover. Just want to kind of melt it here on the side so it's all flush against the nail. Just so it's flush against the nail. Oh, I forgot to turn the TV down. This video is not going to be posted till tomorrow, and I really don't want you to hear what's going on in the news today. It's sad to say, but it's just the date that it is. And I can't talk about that, so please forgive me. So I'm going to try and pick one here for the thumbnail, which I want a longer flame. But I'm having a hard time seeing, so please forgive me that I pick one out off camera. Okay, so now if I can just get this bad boy going. Peel. I'm going to put it on the tip of my finger. Whoops. So, with my little cuticle pusher, oh, hopefully this works. I think, oh, there it goes. I think I got it double sticking. I think these are really super cute. Really super cute. Okay. I just really love these. So we got 3 nails done so far. Let's pick us out of our next little flame here. Okay, we get one of these little short fat ones I got. At the bottom of the page. These are just too cute. Way too cute. And by taking the air out of the sticker, it like totally changes the color of the flame. Plus, you know, the color of the background that you're working with of the polish. So, I think these are gorgeous. I really, really do. I hope you can see them to where you're getting the full effect. Next is our index finger. I should start playing music in the background on my channel. That would be nice. Instead of just dead air. I'll have to check out my video program or my editing program and see what they got. Cuticle pusher. And push up. Seal that sticker in, get the air bubbles out. There. So we are finished with applying the stickers. I'm going to show them to you once you get, oh, let me show you the pouch that they came in. Let me see. There you go. 16-piece holographic reflective foils. They're so cool to have. Let me sit Hartley back off for just a minute. We are going to top coat, so don't run away. Stay with me. Just trying to show you the colors again. There's blue. Oh, I should have used this one. Aw. I wanted to. Love this color here, which we did use. Didn't use the gold or the silver. Beautiful stickers. I advise you to get those. You'll have great fun with them. You're gonna top coat now and then pop Harley into the lamp. Take your brush, wipe it off on the inside neck of the bottle, not the outside. This will save wear and tear on your bottle, trust me. Top coat really brings out the flames too. I think these are so pretty. So, so pretty. Seal these in nice, get them coated. Look at how beautiful these are. I hope you can see. I hope you can see what I'm seeing. I wish I had a discount code on Amazon. But $10 ain't bad. Not bad at all. So we're going to pop these in the lamp for 60 and I'll be right back. We are back. Ooh, sorry for the hobble and the bobble. We are back and fresh out of the lamp. What do you think? I think they're beautiful. I think they turned out gorgeous. I love, 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 love the different colors. The top coat really just brings them out. And I hope that you can see them. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you feel, your opinions. I'm all ears. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Couldn't have planned that one better. I'm sure I know who that is. So we will call this a day. Check out Amazon for their nail art products. They got a lot of great items there. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.